I'm going to show you how to download and get started with your Decaf wallet. So you just need to go to the App Store. You can go search for the Decaf wallet. So you can see here, Decaf wallet, you just click download. Once it's downloaded, just click open. Okay, on your first time, you're going to see this login screen. You actually need to click the sign up button here. Now you're going to sign up and create a new account. You can see you can start a new account with your Google email, your Apple login, or also you can just use any email. So I'm going to create an email. Now I just need to click sign up. So you can see my verification email has been sent. So I just click OK. So now you can see that I'm in my emails and I have received a verification link. All I need to do is click on the link. Now my email has been verified. Yay. Now I can go back into my wallet and log in. So now I'm back in my wallet. I just log in. Now I need to set up a PIN. So I'm going to make this pretty easy. Just click it as 222. Once this PIN is set up, now you have an account being created. And there you have it. Now you have a new account. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can receive stablecoins, USDC, from Stellar's SDP platform. So now this is the Stellar Disbursement Platform. So you can see here we have an organization name. I'm just going to do test for now, and I'm going to log into this account. Okay, so you can see that I'm in the Stellar Disbursement Platform. And this just gives you an overview of it, all the activity. I actually want to check how much money is in this wallet. So I can go down to the side here on the left-hand side, I can go to distribution account. So I click on that and I can find here the wallet address attached to this disbursement platform. So here is the wallet and I can copy that. This is the public key. And I can see that how much is in that wallet or what is in it. So you can see that I have over 8,000 USDC and a little bit of XLM. So I'm going to show you how to create a disbursement. So go back to the home page. So you can see here on the dashboard, there's a screen that says new disbursement. I'm going to click on new disbursement. You can see the current balance, how much I have to actually disperse. And I can say the registration contact type. I want to click email because that works really well with the Decaf wallet. And so you're going to choose Decaf in this instance as the wallet provider. And the asset, we always want that to be USDC. Dollars on chain are the easiest. And the verification type, well, we can set up anything. For this example, I'm not going to use date of birth. I'm going to use a PIN number. And the disbursement, I'm going to call it Rick. And we can customize a message. We can have a default one or a custom message. So that's what the user will see or the recipient will see when it's sent. And these are the disbursement instructions. So I can have a list of users that I want to send to. And here's the template for downloading. Okay, so you can see here, I've just used the Stellar's template to create a disbursement. You can see I put the email in, which is the email I've connected with this new wallet. The ID, you can put anything there. I'll put this as 2. And the amount, this is the amount of USDC, so it's 10, and then the verification and the payment ID. So now I'm just going to save this. Now I just upload the CSV. You can see that the CSV is uploaded, and I just need to confirm the disbursement. And you can see that the new disbursement was successfully created. I can view that here. Yep, and this is all the details. I've sent $10 to this new wallet that I've just set up. And I'm going to verify by PIN, and the payment status says ready, so it's ready to pick up. So you can see that I've just received an email from the Stellar Disbursement Platform from the Decaf organization. So it says you have a payment waiting for you from Decaf, or click, and all I need to do to claim is to click this link. And you see that I can claim the funds now. So I'm just going to choose email, continue, and I'm going to put in the email that I used. Then I submit. You can see that I've just received a one-time passcode from the payout, and I can just copy that into my wallet. Then you can see that the claim funds, my information has been successfully verified. Now I have my 10 USDC. This is on Stellar, so I can actually go into withdrawal and I can cash out in over 180 countries into local currency. So let's say now I'm in Mexico and I want to cash out. I can click on MXN or Mexican pesos, and you can see I can transfer to a bank account. I can cash out with MoneyGram. So I'm going to show you how to cash out with MoneyGram. So you can see the countries, cash out countries, Mexico, and I can select the area I'm in. Let's say I'm in Baja California. You can see that I have my 10 USDC, and then I'm going to receive 200 and just a little bit over 200 pesos. And I can look up the locations here. This open as a map, and you can see the confirmation of the transaction. I actually received 201 Mexican pesos from the closest MoneyGram. So I can just continue here. And they say this is for the first time only. You need to do a KYC. It remembers it the next time. So you just fill this out. So here you can see that you can choose the ID that you're going to collect the money with. So I'll choose a passport, for example. Then you can see the confirmation right here. Now you can see that I'm going to pick up 200 pesos, but I just go to submit. This is where you confirm the transaction. So this is sending the USDC to MoneyGram. Okay, all good. So you just need the reference number and you need to bring your ID to the closest MoneyGram location and you can pick up your money right here. So I'm going to pick up 201 Mexican pesos. You can always find your transactions in the activities button. So you can see here that I have my cash withdrawal ready to pick up. So I can always click on that whenever I want, and you can see that I have a reference number. This is the reference number I need to pick it up. So I just need the reference number and my ID, and I can pick up my 200 pesos. And if you want to cancel your transaction, all you need to do is click View Transaction, and it'll take you to the MoneyGram site. Here's your reference code, and here it is, and you can look up your locations again. But you can cancel your transaction down the bottom here. You just need to click Cancel Transaction. You could say, oh, actually, I entered the wrong amount. I didn't want to do the whole amount. I wanted to do only part of it. And then you can just confirm that request, and then the cancellation is successful. Okay. And just click Done. If I go back to my home screen, you can see, oh, there you go. I've received that $10. It's reversed and gone back into my wallet, the 10 USDC. So there it is there. Received USDC on Stellar, and then did a cash transaction, and then received the refund when I requested the refund. Okay, so now I have my $10 back from MoneyGram. I'm going to show you how easy it is to send to, say, someone overseas or a friend or a family. So I can just go send, and I can choose my 10 USDC on Stellar. I can search for a username, or I can also paste an address, a Stellar Wallet address, and I could just use that. And I could send all of my money, for example, all of that 10 USDC to someone else, and I'll show you how easy it is. And there's no fees for sending. And done. So that money is sent. And you can imagine that this could go to any friend, family, or a payment for a worker or a service. And then they might be in another country and they can use the MoneyGram access to cash out wherever they are. So there you have it. That's how you set up a Decaf wallet. It's how you receive a payment from the Stellar Disbursement Platform, how you cash out at MoneyGram in whatever country you are, and then how you send USDC to a friend or a contact.